Greetings, Panzer, and how are you, Panthers? I wish you all the best in 2024 as we are left with few days. So before 2024, this is my big win also in Siren spell. So I decided that I can share with you what happens. I was losing a lot of money, guys. I said, no, let me try Siren spell. And you guys, you did warn me that Siren spell is no longer like the same. We know it. But I keep trying and trying. I lost and lost, but I just returned back the money. But the other things, the other news will be for the second video. So I just want you guys to see what happens in this big win in Siren spell. So let's just go straight to the game. So guys, I won a bonus. When I win this bonus here, we started, it was not promising that we want to unlock. So let's see what will happen in this bonus. So we are there, like, okay, we unlocked only 2. And then let me know, guys, in the comment section which games did you play you win before you are entering 2024. So let me know the game that it helped a lot before you enter 2024. This is the game that I played, and I also played hot fruit. It did work, so you will see the video soon. So let me also know in the comment section. And happy new year, guys, and take care of yourself, drink responsible, and then anything responsible. And I will also be with you guys sharing our moments and going to chasing big wins. So we have unlocked already the first level. Let's see if we can unlock the second level. So we are down to left with 34 to unlock the second level. This was a 25 rand bonus buy, guys. Don't be surprised. It's a 25 rand bonus buy. We have unlocked. We've been unlocked. We left with 32. We left with 10 games. Seems like it's not promising. When you look at it, it's like, nothing is going to happen. Let's see. I left with 6 games, okay. Then this helped a lot. It's helping a lot. We left with 21. I missed you guys, Panthers. Like, I don't just want to mention all of these guys. Like, I missed all of you guys. And then if you're a new member in this channel, kindly subscribe and support the channel. Next year, guys, I want to be on another level. I want to be on another level, guys, like never before. Next year we are going to run another level. Everything must be increased. Giveaway must be increased. Everything that we do, it must be on the other level. Okay? We have unlocked the second level. Let's go to the third level. See, we left with 39. We are left with 39. So we are in 83 rand. Okay, let's keep looking what's happening. Alright. Okay, this is going to unlock the third level. I'm loving hot fruit, guys, this time. Let me know if you guys want hot fruit. And then also there is another game that I want to give it a try. It's called Legend of, I'm not sure about the name. I'm gonna let you know, guys. Remember, here it's not about just playing. It's about making money. You cannot just be losing money and wasting money. So we must make money. So we are on that level that I like, guys. The final level. Let's see how much we are going to grab in this level called Siren spell. The final level, which everybody loves this level. I hope you love this see this level, I see a lot of 30 rand there. I know it's going to be above 90 rand. It is a big win indeed. Let's see, mega win. It's a mega win. It's about to be super mega win. Let's see, super mega win. It's about to go to super mega win. After super mega win, super pro. But we go around, we are on 286 rand. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Keep going. Siren spell. We need this man. We need this man. Guys, try also Siren spell this time. Trust me, you're gonna get something. If you have some cash, try it. Yo, this is a big wow. I think it's gonna be above 100. The way it is, it must be above 400. Mega win already. Super mega win, super mega win. Yeah, above, yeah, it's above 5. Okay, oh, 510. We're already at 800 rand. Okay, let's keep moving. How many free? We still have 50 free games just imagine. This is so nice, guys. 30. I see a lot of 30s there. But we know that it's above 100 rand. Let's see how much we're going to get on the 200. Let's see. Okay. Alright. 150, 180, 187. We are on 988. This is so nice, guys. I'm loving it. How many free games? I'm not sure how many free games we are left to win. Okay, 11. Imagine we are still winning 11 games. 11 games, and we are on more than now. I think it's gonna be above 60. This is so too late. So okay, 62. We are on 1056. We are left with how many games? Guys, we left with 7 games. Something must happen. Okay, we left with 3 games. Okay. Alright, we managed to go away with 1065 using buying with 25 rand bonus buy. If we bought this bonus, it was going to be costing us 25. So guys, I want to say before I stop, I want to say to you guys, enjoy this 31st, drink responsible, enjoy being with your family, and then I will be with you guys if on the next year, starting on the 2nd of January. I will be with you guys, showing you we're gonna be hustling together in this Hollywoodbet, Betway, Lotto Star, and Gold Rush. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, to subscribe so that you don't miss the videos when we upload the videos and when we announce that we're going to be live. So next year, starting on the 2nd of January, we're going to be doing more of lives. You're going to be enjoying, I'm going to be entertaining you guys, and at the same time you are going to be benefiting, getting something extra incomes, and then just put that 100 rand or something like 100 or 200 rand aside, just be putting it for next year. And if you are trying, don't try too much with a lot of money. I did that mistake. I don't want you guys to do it. I did, and I lost a lot. So don't do it. And then I love you guys. I love you all. Bye.